That's it. There's my good baby. Just nuzzle into me, darling. Just let your girlfriend, or fiance, I should say, if we're planning wedding, just let your fiance take care of you, baby. You deserve this warmth. You deserve my love. Because you are so important to me. You're so cute when you snuggle onto me like this. So sweet for letting me take care of you. Thank you for being mine. For always being by my side when I need you. You are so kind and dependable. My adorable and beautiful partner.